Hello my friends, David Kessler here and welcome back to the studio. Unless of course this is your first time here, and that would just be welcome to the studio. So let's talk about increasing your sales small paintings. I get questions all the time about, how to go about selling. How do I increase my sales of artwork? And it's a complicated matter. I mean, there's a lot of sort of moving pieces and parts as an answer to that question. So, it takes a while to get into all that, and we're not going to cover all that stuff here. There's plenty of online resources in terms of blog posts or, online courses or videos or whatever that you can find to help answer that question. But I do want to focus on one thing here. It's a really simple thing that I've used for decades, to help increase sales, particularly of smaller paintings. And it's real simple, and it's behind me. That's right. Paint a pair of paintings that go together. Simple stuff, right? Yeah, and sometimes it's the simplest things that make the most difference. Now this works particularly well with smaller paintings, and smaller, I would say, these are on the upper end at 24 by 24 each, and particularly well with 10 by 10s or 8 by 10s or 12 by 12s or something like that. Lower priced paintings, this works particularly well. And the concept here is to do two paintings with the same color scheme or similar sort of a composition that go together, so that the paintings look like they fit together. Maybe they're part of the same series or the same approach or the same technique that you use, but the color scheme is what I've found that really holds them together. And I like to use a sort of a, maybe I'll do three, like in primary colors, blue, yellow, and red, or maybe their secondary colors, green, violet, and orange, theme to those. Or these have a particular color scheme that ties them together as well. So that's the concept. Now, to capitalize on that concept of the two paintings, if you're talking to a customer says, I like these paintings, there's a possibility, of course, to give a sort of a package deal to your customer if they buy two. And you see, this is a typical retail, sales technique that you'll see in retail stores everywhere. You can buy one, get one, or your BOGO, buy one, get one free, which is a sort of a radical approach. And I wouldn't do that because you're giving away a painting. But what I would do is say, if you buy these as a package deal, two together, maybe you get a 10% discount or 15% discount. That's up to you as the artist to determine what that discount would be, based on, your margins and how much you intend to make per painting and all that. You would need to determine what that is, but giving them a package deal is a way to sell both paintings together, and bam, you just doubled, or nearly doubled, depending on your discount, your art sales by selling two pieces that are similar to each other to the same customer at the same time. It's a pretty easy technique, and I've used it for more than 20 years, and it works really well for me. And I can't tell you, there's countless times where I have two paintings that are painted to go together, and somebody buys both of them. So it's a very simple technique, not one that I've heard anybody else talk about. So that's the reason I put it out here, is that I haven't seen any other resources about it. So hopefully this will help you moving forward to help capitalize on small painting sales. All right. If you like the video, share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel down below. Join me for a workshop or an online workshop. I got a whole list of online workshops. I think I'm up to maybe 9 or 10 of those bad boys now. And I've got a new series of them that are all about, I have a course called All About Color. But these other videos are lower, more affordably priced videos, because I know things are tough right now, but we still need to learn and paint as artists. So these are good, videos to look at specific color combinations, how to apply those to your painting, how to make harmonious color. And those are $47 each. I mean, it's a great deal and a lot of good learning for you. And you can find those in the descriptions for the online courses or online workshops down below. So thanks a lot. Hope this was helpful for you, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.